In this video, I'm going to show you how to build automatic news blogging website. All right. And building this website can enable you to make money through Google AdSense, through sponsor post, and the rest. So I'm going to share with you how to build automatic news blogging website like legit.ng, okay, like Sahara Reporters, and any other news website out there that you can ever imagine. And with building a website like this, okay, you can make money through selling affiliate product, selling space for advertisement, or even getting paid all right, with Google AdSense, as you can see here. All right, so as you can see on this new news blogging website, there are ads, okay, ups and down, okay, at the headers, at the footers, within the post and the rest. You see ads everywhere. All right, so that is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do this. And to be able to do this, we're going to do this with WordPress. Okay, we're going to build our website with WordPress. So you need a WordPress website. Okay, you need a WordPress blogging website. All right, and I wouldn't want to go through the process of buying a domain name, getting a hosting. You need to subscribe to the channel to actually get all of those videos, because I create some of these videos separately so that I don't get you just bugged in one video. All right, so you need a web hosting, and you can get your web hosting and domain name using NAMECHEAP. All right, the reason is because they are actually cheap. All right, so they are very cheap to get your domain name and hosting. All right, with less than $100 you can actually get a domain name and hosting for the next 1 year, and then you can start blogging. All right, if at the end of your first 6 months you don't start making money, then it means that blogging is not your thing. All right, but we try at less than $100 or thereabout. With Namecheap, you can get your domain name. In most cases, you get your domain name for free if you are registering for the first time. So you can get a hosting, and there are different payment methods. You can pay with Bitcoin, with your card, okay, and other payment methods. So you go and check. The links to this will be in the video description. All right, so once you set up your blogging website, all right, once you set up your blogging website, then all you need to do is to log into the back end of your website. So all you need to do is to log into the back end of your website, and then this is a website where we'll be actually doing this auto blogging on. All right, so, and the plugin we are going to be using for this auto blogging is called the automatic WordPress plugin. So the WordPress automatic plugin is what we're going to use. All right, and you can get this plugin for, I think, $30 or thereabout. That's what I got it, 30 or $32. All right, I will leave the link in the video description. If I come in here to the plugin page, you see that it has over 32 thousand sales. Okay, and then the reviews there, if you come in here to the reviews are awesome. It has been working. I've been using it. I use it for build businesses for people. I equally use it for a personal blog as well. So you can actually go get this plugin for less than $30 or more. Okay, I think it's around that $30 range or so. So you can go ahead and get this plugin and you can use it. I will leave the link in the video description so that you just go ahead and get. So once you purchase this plugin, all right, just follow the on-screen instruction, make payment, and then the plugin becomes yours. So, okay, once you get this plugin, the next thing to do is to download, okay, the installable file. So I'll go to my profile and then go to downloads. So once you are on the download page, you see all of the plugins and themes you've been done purchased, that you've purchased with the Team Forest website. Okay, and mine is this plugin. Okay, the WordPress automatic plugin is what I want. So I'll click on the download arrow here, and then I want to download the installable WordPress file only. Okay, you can download everything and then unzip and upload, but I just want to download the installable WordPress file only. So go ahead and click on that, and that will be downloaded. So once it's downloaded, the next thing is to log into our WordPress website and then install this plugin. All right, so here I am on the back end of the website, and then all I need to do is to go to where it says plugins. Okay, once I hover over plugin, I go ahead and add new. All right, it's assumed you already know how to use WordPress. If not, you can check out my website and learn how to use WordPress. It costs less than 5,000 or thereabout to be able to learn WordPress, or you can check out other free content we have on the channel to learn how to build website with WordPress. Okay, so once I'm here, all right, I'm just going to upload, since we got the plugin from a third party, Once I click on add new on the plugin, then I'll go up here and click on the upload plugin. So click on it, and then I'll choose that plugin we just downloaded, which is this one here. So go ahead and select it and then open it up. And once this is loaded up, go ahead and install it now. All right, so our WordPress plugin has been installed successfully. Okay, all we just need to do is to click on where it says activate plugin. We'll go ahead and activate the plugin. So as you can see here, our WordPress automatic plugin has been installed successfully, and that has added an option, okay, by the sidebar here. So you see where it says automatic, we're going to click on it. So once we click on it, it brings us to the campaign interface where we need to create new campaigns. But before we create a campaign, okay, this plugin has a license. Without the license, we'll not be able to use it. All right, so I want to go to settings to activate the license. So you go and click on settings, and then once you click on setting, it says you should enter your purchase code here. Okay, so this is where we're going to enter the license. And how do you get this code? When you purchase this plugin, the code comes with it, but we downloaded only the installable file. So this time around, we're going to download the license file to be able to get our code. So if I come back here to the dashboard, the next thing is to download where it says license certificate and then purchase code. Okay, go ahead and click on this. All right, you can download a PDF file or download the text file. This will open up in a notepad. Okay, so I'll prefer to download the text file. Let me go ahead and click on that to download it. That has been downloaded successfully, so I'll click on it to open it up. Then I'll copy the code, okay, and go and paste it. You don't need to see this. All right, go and purchase yours if you want the plugin. All right, so once you slot in your license code, okay, just click on save changes, and automatically the plugin will be activated, and then it will redirect you to this page. All right, as you can see, our license is activated already. Okay, so it's showing active here. And another thing that is worth noting here, you can only use one license per one website. So if you need multiple of these, you can go buy this multiple times. All right, so I just got this. All right, so the license is active now. We now have the option to all of this. Okay, so different things you can use this plugin for. Okay, you can use it to auto post from RSS feeds, okay, to your WordPress. You can post from any web page at all to your website. You can post from any website to your WordPress site. You can post from Amazon. Okay, this could be with your affiliate links from eBay. All of this has to come with your affiliate link, ClickBank. Okay, even if you are posting from the Envato Element website, it is with your affiliate link. Okay, you can post from anything at all of this, from Facebook, from Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube. Okay, you can post from all of this, all right, into your website. And then the recent update is that you can equally post from TikTok to your blog, all right, to make your blog rich and then keep your visitors engaged. That is the way we're going to use this. But for the news website, I prefer using the auto post from the RSS feed. Okay, so what I do is, the way I use this, so the way I use the RSS feed is to come to popular news website like Legit, or right, depending on the country you are, your popular news website, they always have this RSS feed. All right, one way I do that is, if I go to the website, okay, I can just go ahead and click the name of the website. Once I add the name of the website, I will put a forward slash, then add in RSS, okay, or feed. So the name of the news website slash feed slash RSS, and that will lead you to the RSS page or the feed page. For instance, for the Sahara reporters, if I go ahead and put in RSS here, okay, so if I put RSS, in their own case is RSS, not feed. So if I put in RSS as the name of the website forward slash RSS, you see different links, okay, to the latest news. If I want to start posting any latest news they have on their website to my own blog, okay, I can get that using this link. I can get it from their reports, their opinion, politics, this. Okay, I can create RSS feed for all of these different categories they have here. All right, another way to get access to the RSS feed, instead of going to the name of the website slash feed or slash RSS, you just scroll down, okay, to the bottom. of that news website, or any website at all you want to actually post from, you see here that we have the RSS feed here, so you can post from here. All right, and the beautiful thing with the the plugin is that it can link, put a source code, okay, to tell you that this content is not originally yours, but it is coming from somewhere. All right, so once it gives credit back to the website, it actually gives a boost to your website. Okay, so you can get all of this. And another thing, to be able to make your website rich, for instance, if you come to legit.ng, okay, they do a lot of things aside the fact that they get all these updates from news and publish on their website. They write on how to make money, they write on tech, they write on a lot of things. Okay, and how do they do this? They pay people to write this content for them. So why you keep posting on a daily basis to keep your website busy, once in a while write a very long article about a particular product. You can make a review about, tech. You can make a review. Just think of something. If you don't know what to do, okay, you can come to Fiverr, all right, and get somebody to write article of 1,000 words, 2,000, 3,000, okay, whatever you want to write on, whether it is tech, make money online, crypto, anything at all you want to run, you can get somebody on Fiverr to do that for you. All right, you can sign up for Fiverr using the link in the video description. So these articles are the ones you publish once in a while. All right, but to keep your website busy and always have content and keep the website, looking fresh, then you need the plugin to be doing that for you. All right, so once we get the news, all right, the feeds, okay, for instance, if I go with that of the Sahara reporters, all right, I can copy any of this feed, any of this link. Okay, let's say for the latest news, I can copy, okay, this link here. All right, I can just right click and say copy link address, okay, or highlight it and copy it. Once you copy this, all right, the next thing is to come back to, the plugin. Here we are, right, on the plugin, automatic plugin. We click on setting and then it brings us here. Okay, so we have to post from, now when you want to post, when you want to be creating campaigns with your affiliate link, okay, for the Amazon setting, this is where you put in all of the affiliate requirement, the Amazon access key, the API keys, and the rest, the secret key. You can find out how to create all of this, how to get all of this from Amazon. For ClickBank, okay, this is where you put in your username, okay, save changes. It means that if you are posting anything from ClickBank, automatically your affiliate link is added to that, so that if anybody make purchase, you are making money from that. Okay, from AliExpress is where you paste, put in all of these details, your tracking ID and the rest. Okay, for all of this, all right, you see, if you want to spin the articles, okay, you can go to, the spinner stuff. Just click on this link here. It takes you to the website where you can create your account, okay, and then get it imported there, so that when you want to spin your article, you want to rewrite the articles and the rest, you can actually do that with this. Okay, if you want to post content from eBay, all right, you want to import from Instagram, from YouTube, this is where you put your YouTube API key, all of this. Okay, if any of these, all right, just fill in these details. Then when you start creating campaigns, it will be easier for you. All right, it will be easier for you to, start generating content and embedding your affiliate links to it. All right, so once you do that, we have copied the link, the RSS feed link. So we'll come in here to where it says new campaign, click on it. So we're going to create a new campaign, and I'm just doing this with the RSS feed. Okay, you can do it for any other thing. So for this new campaign, I'll just go ahead and put the title as news. Okay, so put the title as news, and then what do we want to do? We want to, the campaign type, okay, we want to use feeds. All right, so we're going to use feed. So all of this, once you finish the setting, you can do all of this. Okay, you can post from YouTube and the rest. So we just do feeds. Okay, so once we do feed, it tells us the maximum number of posts to post. All right, the maximum number here is that is for this campaign, for the life cycle of this campaign. Okay, here is estimated at 2,000. Okay, I can, increase this to whatever number that I want. Okay, or you can just type in that number here. For instance, if I say 10,000, okay, you can go ahead and type that as 10,000. Okay, and then feeds to import from. Okay, one feed link per line. All right, so here is where you are going to paste the link, okay, to the feed you want to post or publish on your website. All right, so just like we have here, okay, for latest news, politics, and the rest, business and so on, you can copy each of this link and paste one per line. Okay, so if I paste the first one, the second one should come below. All right, so if I paste the first one, the second one should come below, and it goes that way and on. All right, to post from, to keep taking posts from that particular website and be posting. Okay, so you can rotate the feed. All right, take this, you can see that it says take this post for a different feed each time. All right, so if you have more than 1, 2, 3 feeds here, you can just check this so that when he posts from the first one, the next time he posts from the second one, and the rest, it goes on. Okay, all right, so once you slot in the address, okay, the URL of the news feed, okay, for this single item, I just leave this as auto detect. All right, if you scroll down here, please take note of this. I only check for the top post, okay, and then this will ignore all older posts because I want to post only from posts that are recent. You can check all of this and see what, but these are the few that I use. Okay, then I'll case post with no content. If there is any post that doesn't have any content, I'll just skip that. Okay, and then I equally have this check. All right, then when I scroll down here, you leave this as default. You don't need to do anything here. Okay, this will post the title, okay, and then the content, and then put this link to redirect somebody to the original content. All right, and then we're going to have the post type will be post. Okay, you can choose any of these other options you have here. All right, and then it's going to be from you as the author. So if you want to change that, you equally have the option to set the author to the original in all one of these. Okay, in one of these options it tells you to set set original post. Okay, this is category. There is another one that says for author, so you can set it to the original author, but I just leave it because we are going to give credit to the those. And then for the images option, you set the first image or something as the featured image. Okay, so get that checked. And there are other options here. All right, but I don't have to do any of this. I just use these two. Okay, then extract the image from the original and the rest. So we just for Facebook thumbnails and the rest, so we'll just go ahead and get that check. Okay, and then here it tells you to download image from the post content to your site. You don't need to do this. Okay, just leave it as default. And then these are the categories we have on our post. And then if you want to use the keyword to category all of this, you can go ahead and check that, but I just leave this as default. And then for the post filter, you can equally check out this. All right, I leave this as default. I don't do anything here. Then here, if you want to rewrite any post, you want to rewrite or translate it, okay, to multiple language, then you need an account with this best spinner software. Okay, you can go ahead. If you have an account that is on the setting I showed you, you can add the details that is given to you. So you can just check this, and then it rewrites that article. It can translate the post for you, all right, to any language of your choice, and then post it. That way the source code here, it means if you are rewriting, you don't need to put any credit to the source link and the rest. You just remove that from that. Okay, so we don't need any link for where the source of that information is coming from, because you are rewriting them. All right, so and then content search and replace modification. If for instance you want to replace a certain word, certain things you don't want to appear on the post, you can go ahead and specify that by checking this. Okay, you can just check this. If you want to remove hyperlinks and the rest, you check this. Okay, for links and the rest, all of this you can go ahead, but by default, all right, I don't give myself headache, except if the people I'm creating this content for say, okay, we want to rewrite, we want it to be original, we want it to be our content, then they can pay for the software, and then we'll get all of that set, and then we don't need to add source link to where the information is coming from. So you just rewrite it and then post it on your website, and you're good to go. Okay, so then the next thing or the last thing we need to do here before we publish is to come in here to where it says try to add a new post every 60 seconds. Okay, so every 60 every 60 is minute that is selected here. So if you want it every 60 minutes, every 60 hours, every 60 days, and the rest. Okay, So if I want it every day, I'll go ahead and drag this until it gets to 1. So here it means that it will be posting every 1 hour, 1 minute, or 1 day. Okay, so if I make it once a day, so it means that it will be posting here every day. Every day we'll have a post, every day we'll have a post, every day we'll have a post until we get up to this 10,000 posts. Then this campaign will automatically stop. Then we can come and start again, and so on. So we want to be making the post once a day. All right. And then if you want the custom posting time, you can set a time that you want your post to be going at, but we want to just work with the time where we are getting the post from. Okay. And then I think there is an option here that says you have to okay, this where it says publish new post status, it says publish, so you have the option to set it to private if you want to rewrite or re-edit before you publish. Okay, you can be pending, you can set it to pending, or set it to draft. All right, it means that the post that is generated to your website can be on draft. You can come and edit the post and then repost it if you want. It all depends on what you want. If you have the time or you have people who can do all of this for you, you can go ahead. But I'm going to publish the post directly. I'll show you an example of that once we do this. Okay, so after that, I'll go ahead and click on publish. I think that is all I need to do here. Just go ahead and click on publish, and this campaign will be published. All right, so the campaign is published already. Okay, so our campaign is ready now. This would have post at its own time, but to show you that this is actually working, I'll go ahead and run the campaign by just clicking this button here. Okay, just click on run. All right, so once you click on run, it automatically post. You see that it was checked, or okay, the last run was this, and then the last post is this. Okay, so if I come back to my blog, all right, you see that post that it just showed us here. This is a post. All right, so and then it will take the next day to post another one, because we say once daily. Okay, so if I go ahead and click on the post, all right, so you see that it imported the image as our featured image. Okay, you see the image here. All right, and then when you scroll down here, you can now read the news. Okay, this is a post. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you see where it says the source link. So it always add this source link beneath the post. Okay, this actually gives credit back to the original owner of that post, meaning that you are free to use this. You can use it to run ads and the rest. Okay, so it gives access to that. So if anybody needs to go to the original owner, you just click on the source link and then you can see that. So basically that is it. It's as simple as that. So this will continue to sort for content for our blog on a daily basis. Okay, every new content that is published on that blog, where we got this content from or the news feed from, it will be published on our blog, and then we can use that to generate content for our website, and we can run ads on this, and we can start getting paid for sponsor posts, and then this keeps our audience engaged. All right, so basically this is what I wanted to share with you. This is how you can build an automatic news blogging website. Okay, make money from sponsor posts, from affiliate links, okay, and then from Google AdSense as well. Yes, Google AdSense can actually run on this website, yes, because the plugin actually meets all of the criteria, most especially this source link, okay, giving credit to where this is coming from. It's very important. If you are not rewriting the article, okay, it is very important that you allow the source link to always be embedded on your post. So basically that is all I needed to share with you in this video. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you are getting stuck with any issue, okay, you can always use the comment section, all right, to reach out, and I'll see how best I can actually help you with that. All right, so make sure you subscribe, and then if you gain value from the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, and that is it for this video. If you want to buy the plugin, the link will be in the video description. You want to get FIVERR account, link will be in the video description. Then for NAMECHEAP, for your cheap domain names and hosting, link is equally in the video description. If you want to learn more about WordPress, you can actually go to digitalskillinstitute.com to acquire a course there, all right, and start learning how to build website, professional and responsive website with WordPress. That is it, and I'll see you in the next video.